and welcome back to Cooking with Kendall. So today I'm going to be making some nice honey garlic chicken. I love honey garlic chicken. I have a lot of favorite type of chicken styles, but I really like the honey garlic chicken. So let me show you guys what's in front of me. We have some chicken, of course, because that's the main ingredient. And then we got some nice honey. And then we got a paper spatula, a measuring cup, a mixing bowl, and a fork. We got some garlic, soy sauce, mixing cup, some ketchup, and some olive oil, and then some garlic salt. We are a big garlic loving family, so we always love some garlic salt. And then we have some, and of course we got an Instant Pot. So first things first, you want to put on your Instant Pot at saute. So it's on saute right now. And I'm just going to pour a little bit of some olive oil in. Just a tiny bit, that's enough. I hate when it beeps. So now we're going to undo the chicken. And this is when I kind of have to move everything over because it does take a little bit for me to put the chicken in. So then you're going to need your tongs also. Open up this. And here's what the chicken looks like. And they just put it in a bag. Okay. And I can't get this red thing off. Ugh. Very cold. So we're gonna just dump it all in because since we're just putting it all in, I'm just gonna dump it in. But when we only need like 2 chicken breasts, then I don't put them all in. So yeah. So now I'm gonna put in some garlic salt. It looks so delicious. We're gonna just put on a little bit. That's enough. And now we're just gonna mix it. Is it even on saute? It doesn't even seem like it's on saute, but it is on saute. Because it usually does like steam up when it's on saute. But it says it is on saute. So now I'm going to put on some more garlic salt. If I can open it, then I can put it on. Okay. Now we're going to mix it. See guys, it is on saute. I did put it on saute, but it's like not sizzling for some reason, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna go to the next step. So let's put in some honey. If I can open it. So we gotta be exact with this honey. And now it starts to sizzle, guys. It takes so much. Okay. You're just gonna like spread it all out. And it starts to come up. Okay, hang on guys. It's almost there. Look at the chicken. Okay. Whoa, right. Exact. Let me just put some more garlic salt on the chicken and then we can mix it because it's starting to sizzle. Okay. I'm just going to mix it really quick one more time. That's what I'm used to. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Okay. That's good. So now I'm going to put all of this garlic into the bowl. And now let's put on put the soy sauce. Pour the soy sauce right there. I hate these type of lids. They make everything come out so slow. That looks right about enough, but I think I'm just going to add some more in. Also guys, cooking is not cooking without getting messy. Literally. Now I'm gonna, let me just like do it again because you don't want it to like, I'm just gonna put, don't need that. I'm not gonna put any more garlic salt on it. But, ooh, it looks so good. Look at it. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells delicious. So now we're gonna put in some ketchup. Let me shake it up. Good. I'm just gonna bend down for this. So now let's put in the honey, and I'm gonna use this spatula to get it out because honey is really hard to get out because like it's so sticky. Tell me guys, this is delicious. You guys have to try it. And yeah. I'm gonna get the rest. So now let's put some soy sauce in. And that just made it black. And now some ketchup. Which I'm just gonna also use this to get it out with. Okay. Let me put this, guys, all steaming really quick. Okay, I'm just gonna let it sit and let's stir it up. Oh, it's such a weird, it feels like such a weird texture just by stirring it. You don't want to stir really fast because there is like soy sauce, which is a liquid in it, so I'll do it like how I do my eggs in the morning for breakfast. I like to go like this in a very fast motion, but I have to go slow now. Okay. It's not fully mixed yet because the ketchup isn't mixed yet, you know, but. Okay. So it's all done. I'm just gonna do this really quick. Like, what is it called again? Oh, I don't remember. Ooh, look at that chicken. Oh, it's good. This looks so good. I cannot wait to have it for dinner. All of the chicken looks delicious. Let's just add a hint more of garlic because, you know, more garlic. That's my secret ingredient to everything, guys. But only if it tastes good in the thing, then I like it. Okay, so I think now we can put all of this deliciousness into it. Whoa. And it stops sizzling. Okay. I'm just going to put this in my sink. Wow. Can I put that all in one, please? I like the counter. Okay. So, where's my... So now let's mix it in. It looks delicious. Oh gosh. I'm sauteing the chicken. Okay, so now we're just gonna put this on right now. And my mom taught me a way how to put this on, so hope I can remember. Okay? Wait. No! Wait. I got it, Mom. I got it. No, I got it. And we're gonna put it into 25 minutes, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. And then how many? 25, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, so we got 25 minutes on the clock, and I cannot wait to eat this yummy honey chicken I just cannot wait. So yeah, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the post notifications and share this video. I really appreciate it. Bye guys, see you later.